Good evening, ma'am.
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 Okay. Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Welcome back.
Good evening. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Welcome back.
Ma'am.
Okay. You have class in this board also.
Yes, ma'am.
Board
Hindi class.
also.
Hindi class.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope all reached. Francis Richard did not come.
Ma'am, he just called me. He's in the waiting list.
I did not see him. Only this many children came. I did not see Francis here. He is in any other class? He went to any other board? Eh? It is board 5. Okay, children, shall I start the class? If I start the property, second property it is, if I start it. Came. Francis and Vinayak. Okay. Anyone is there to come? Okay, children, is there anyone to come?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, children. See, so we started the studied about the closure property. I hope you understood it properly. Okay, children, shall we go for the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
And the next property is commutative property. Commutative. Wait. 1 minute. Wait.
Are you sharing the screen?
Yes.
We can see.
Can't see it.
Can you see now?
Start.
Melody.
It's loading.
Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
It
Now we can
is.
see, ma'am.
Okay. So write the property. Next property is second one. Commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative. Check the spelling. It is very important. That spelling, instead of commutative, you will tell more, some other words. Commutative. Commute. See the word commute. Okay. And it is commutative. Children will make a mistake and they will tell that it is communicative. It is not communicative, it is commutative. Okay? Commutative property. Okay, children, will you tell what the property is? Tia and Fatima, will you tell what is the property? Name of the property?
Commutative.
Vinayak Guardian, what is the property?
Commutative property.
Yes? I did not hear. Commutative. Francis Richard, what is the property?
Commutative property.
Commutative property. Aaron, what is the property?
Commutative property.
Commutative property. Commute. The meaning of commute is keep one in place of another. Okay, children? Keep one number in place of another or change the number. The property is commutative property. Okay. So it is like this. See children, I am giving one example. 3 plus 4. What is the answer? 3 plus 4?
7.
7. And what is the answer of 4 plus 3?
7.
7 itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
First one, when you add 3 plus 4, you go to 7 itself. But when we add 4 plus 3, you will get 7 itself. That means when we change the order, the answer will not change. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
We changed the order of the numbers. 3 and 4. First we wrote 3, then 4. We got the same answer 7. And when we write 4 in first and plus 3 second, you will get 7 as the answer itself. Isn't it? So if we change the order of the numbers, the answer will not change. Clear?
Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
commutative property. Commute means keep in place of another. Keep one thing in place of another. Okay, children. So commutative means if we add two or three numbers, if we change the order and add, the answer will not change. Okay, we can add the numbers in any order. Okay, children. Suppose we are adding 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is the answer? 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 9. So you are adding it. 3 plus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? 9 itself.
9.
You change the order, the answer will not change. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
okay. So the answer will not change. So that is known as commutative property. Okay, children? Shall we write that now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next property is commutative property. Like what we this children, I'll give some examples for that. Okay. Okay. I'll give the examples. Commutative property. Okay. Rightly this we can add the whole numbers. We can add the whole numbers. We can add the whole numbers. Add the whole numbers in any order. And whole numbers are commutative. Whole numbers are commutative under addition. Whole numbers are commutative under addition.
What is the meaning?
Whole numbers are commutative under addition. And the examples are 3 plus, who is singing there? 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Same way, 4 plus 3 also equal to 7. That is example 1. 2 examples I'll give. 0 plus 10 equal to 10 and 10 plus 0 equal to 10 itself. Change the order and add, the answer will not change. Same number you will get.
Ma'am, can you tell the meaning of the second number?
All numbers are commutative under addition. Means addition, we can add the all numbers. It is commutative. Means it is change. That change the order and add. Okay. Answer will get the same number. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And it is commutative property for addition. Commutative property for addition. Now, we'll move to the commutative property for multiplication also.
Multiplication. Ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I couldn't attend the class for a few moments because of connection problem.
I did not hear Smriti. Will you tell loudly?
Ma'am, I couldn't attend the
No problem. Did you see the
connection
board
problem.
when I see Smriti? Did you see the board? I'll share it. See.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It is when you add two numbers, you will get one number, right? Look at the example. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. And when we change the order, the answer will get the same itself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll move to the next one. Commutative property itself, but it is for multiplication. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Second one, and you can write like this. We can multiply. Wait. 1 minute.
Ma'am, you have tried this?
Yes, yes. We can multiply. We can multiply two whole numbers. We can multiply two whole numbers in any order. We can multiply two whole numbers in any order. In any order. Then whole numbers are commutative under multiplication. Commutative under multiplication. The same thing, because we can multiply also these two numbers in any order. Commutative under multiplication.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. Addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Commutative for whole numbers. You can write this sentence in a box. Addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. Addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers.
Ma'am, finish.
I finished writing.
Okay, children, right. I'll wait. Write this.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am. May I finish?
Yes. Let everybody write it. I'll wait. Okay, children, in your multiplication, 4's multiplication, 4 3's are 12, and 3's multiplication also 3 4's are 12, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's there. So multiplication table, some numbers in the same different table also will get the same numbers. 4 3's are 12, 3 4's are 12. 5 6 are 30, 6 5's are 30. Clear?
7 2s are 40. 2
Okay.
7s are 40.
When you take you take any number, but when you multiply, you will get the same answer itself. Okay, children. But there is a problem. But subtraction and division, like a closure property, this also will not satisfy, because subtraction we will get, the order will affect. Subtraction, the order is a very important thing. Subtract, we always subtract small number from big number. 10 minus
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Subtract 10 minus 2, you will get positive 8. 8. Take away 2 from 10. Suppose you have 10 pence and you are giving me 2 pence. What is the remaining number of pence?
8.
8. But can you, if you have only 2 pence, can you give 10 pence to me?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So
No, ma'am.
there the problem is. That means subtraction always affect based on its order. Order. Big number you will write first. And the same way, when I take integers, I will explain all these negative numbers. When I take, you will understand what it is. So what is the difference
Okay, ma'am.
between subtraction? Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
this property is there in that chapter also. So you will understand it properly. So addition and multiplication only we can make under commutative property. Subtraction and division, there is no commutative property for that. Okay, children? Same as closure property. Subtraction and division does not satisfy. It is not true for commutative property also. So you keep in mind, subtraction and division is not commutative. Subtraction and division is not closure.
Commutative.
Okay, children. So I'll start
Yeah,
with, I'll take a recap from closure property of addition. Closure to property of addition is true. Same. We will get a whole number. I'll explain it again. What do you mean by a closure property? When we add two whole numbers, we will get a whole number.
Whole number
Whole
inside.
number.
Addition, satisfied. It is true. When you multiply two whole numbers, you will get a whole number itself.
Whole number inside.
That's also true.
True.
But subtraction and division is not closure. No, closure property does not satisfy. It is not true. Okay, children? And commutative property. What do you mean by commutative property? If
Ma'am, if
plus
we-
4 equal to 7, 4 plus 3 also
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
7. When we
Yes,
change
ma'am.
the order, we will get the same number.
Same number.
7.
Like that, 4 into 3 is 12. 3
12.
into 4 is also 12.
12.
Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
But subtraction is not true for commutative property. Division also not true for commutative property. Okay, children, next chapter when I take, I will explain it detailedly. Now, this much only you understand. Now, children, I will write the examples. Examples I did not write. Shall I erase this and I'll write the example?
Yes,
or
ma'am.
I'll scroll the board upwards.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, write the examples. Okay, examples, multiplication. Okay, 3 into 4, example 1. 3 into 4 equal to 12. Same way, 4 into 3 is also equal to 12. Second example with 0. Since we are taking whole numbers, 0 also you should include. 0 into 5 equal to 0. 5 into 0 also equal to 0. Two examples. So this chapter is very important because we are studying all the type of properties here. Okay, finish. Shall I give some questions to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. You identify which property we are using here. Okay. I'll give one examples. Questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Write questions. Questions. All fill in the blanks. First one. 10 plus 5 equal to 15 a whole number. Listen children, write the property here. Write the property under this. Under this.
My God.
Identify the property used here.
Ma'am, over.
Ma'am, over.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
Ma'am, I finished.
Am I finished?
Are we finished?
I finished writing.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
first
what is the first one? 10 plus.
Closure. Closure property.
I'm closure property.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Closure property.
What is that? 10 plus 5 equal to 15, a whole number.
Closure property.
Closure property, okay? So this is closure property. And 14 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 14.
Commutative property.
Again, somebody telling communicative. Somebody told communicative now. Who is that person?
Francis, sorry, ma'am.
What is that property, Francis?
Commutative in the speed, I told, ma'am, sorry.
Okay, okay, no problem. Commutative, commutative. So the answer is commutative property. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, okay. So you understood about this? So fill in the blanks like MCQ questions. Like these questions will come. You have to identify the property. Okay, children. Now next one is yes. Okay, children. Now next one is one important thing to study. Some more properties are there. Okay. So if I start that, it will not finish. Okay, children. So one more simple thing is there that also you understand today. And tomorrow I'll start with the other two properties. There is two more properties. Okay, children. Now next one is we are dividing some numbers, isn't it? We are dividing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Listen. What is the answer of 8 divided by 4? What is the answer of 8 divided by 2? 2. I can write like this also, right? 8 divided by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer is 2. You understood, no? Both are same.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 8 divided by 2, you got the answer. And 8 divided by 4 also, you have the same answer. But what about this? 0 divided by 8.
Ma'am,
Then
not
you did.
possible.
Not possible.
No.
Not possible.
0 divided by 8, answer is there, 0.
0.
Okay. 0 divided by 8 means 0,
ma'am,
we
0.
can divide by 8 and answer is 0 itself. 0 divided by 8 is 0. But
0.
this one is very important. 8 divided by 0 or any number divided by 0.
Not defined.
8 divided by 0 is not defined. Not defined. This is very important. You have to take note of this. Okay. So I'll write it again. I'll write as a note.
Ma'am, we have to write this number.
Yes, yes, yes. Like this. Like this.
I have to write this.
Not. 1 minute. Take some other color. Yes. Not. So because it is important. Important. You have to study this. Okay, children? 0 divided by 5 is 0. But some number divided by 0, answer is not
We should write in the
defined.
notes.
Yes, yes, write in the notes under the properties. Not defined. Number divided by 0, not defined. A number divided by 0 is not defined.
Ma'am, only this much.
Yes. Okay, children, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
if there is an MCQ question like this, I'll scroll the board upwards. So, we have written 2 questions, right? This one is third question. Third question. Okay, children? Shall we write?
Yes, ma'am.
Third question. 2 divided by 0 equal to dash. The options are 1, 0, 2, not defined.
It's not defined.
What is the answer, children?
Not defined.
Not defined. Not defined. Yes, children. The answer is
Not
which answer? Option?
Not defined.
Not defined.
Not defined.
Not defined. Okay. This is the correct answer. And I'll give one more question to you.
Okay,
I'll give one more question. Fourth question. 0 divided by 4. Answer is dash. Question is, answers are 0, 4, 1, not defined.
Ma'am, this should be written.
Yes, yes, write in the notes.
Zero.
0 divided by 4.
Zero.
Zero.
Zero is the answer, ma'am.
Zero is the answer, ma'am.
Yes, yes, very good. 0 is the answer. So, we studied 4 questions today, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
4 questions.
Yes,
4 important questions. Okay, children? So, you can expect the MCQ questions like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so did you understand today's topic? You study well the closure property and the commutative property. When you study other 2 properties, sometimes there is a chance of forgetting this. Okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
study this, write and study and write it 2-3 times. Okay? So these 2 properties are very important. Tomorrow I'll start give the other 2 properties also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, shall I leave now?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Time to wind up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.